All right, what's going on, tycoons? For today's video, we're going to be looking at Keycoin. That's the Selfkey coin. All right, just giving you guys an update. Okay, so we did. All right, we had the breakout. We hit the bullish price target. Okay, we started trading below the breakout level, this blue line right here. All right, we did not find support at the yellow line. That was like my base support. Okay, basically at the 2965 level. And we're starting to fall. Okay, this rounded top right here, very bearish to me. Okay, I don't like to see this roundness. All right, I like to see consistent upward movement. Okay, so this doesn't look good. If we would have had like a nice pull up and then a pull back, it would have looked better. But this roundedness makes me think that we could fall further. All right, so definitely just keep this one on the watch list. All right. Now, long-term wise, if people are looking to invest in this thing long-term, definitely feel free to grab some coins and buy and hodl, for a year or two. This definitely has some long-term potential, okay? And you can sell at any given point you're in profit. There's no point where you have to hold till or, anyone forcing you. It's a great thing about crypto, but, never invest anything that you're more than willing to lose. It is at a decent price right now, relatively speaking. Okay. If you look basically from this body of the candlestick, all right, and we'll go down to where it's at right now. Okay, it's fallen about 36%. So a 36% drop is pretty significant. Okay, that's nearly 50%. All right, so you definitely can start paying attention to it, but that's the big thing with a lot of these coins. All right, is they rally super hard, and then just as hard as they rally, they crash just as hard as well. Okay, so we'll go look at the daily chart, and as you can see, it looks pretty insane. I mean, let me show you guys what I think is a good demand zone, a good buy zone. Okay, personally for some any like long-term positions or something like that. I'll show you guys real quick. Okay, um, right here. Okay, if you guys can snag something up in here, in this area right here, this is a pretty strong demand zone. Every time we've come in here, it's rallied nicely, okay, pulled back, retested it, and then shot all the way up to here, okay, and it did the same thing here, okay. We touched the bottom of this demand zone, we rallied, okay, fell back into demand zone, rallied, into demand zone, rallied, okay. The only thing we need to be cautious of is this demand zone, okay, if all of the demand in this zone gets bought up, okay, because the way that supply and demand works, all right, if we have all the demand here and there's a bunch of market orders in this range, okay, eventually all of those market orders will get filled the more that it's coming in here, and the more limit orders get filled, the more it's in here. And eventually it'll reach a point where there's going to be no more demand here and we can fall straight through and go lower, okay. But currently this is a nice strong demand zone. All right, so anytime we come into these positions between 2043 and 1490, okay, you could look to enter some long-term positions there or some good swings there. It's up to you. All right, just be cautious that if we fall below it, then basically that demand zone is going to be gone, and there's not going to be any more demand or any more buyers in that area. And if there's no more buyers, then the sellers are in control, supply is in control, and the price of the coin will drop. Okay, so just keep an eye out on these key levels. Okay, above this yellow one, that's like our base support for bullish activity. This blue one is our breakout level, and then this green one is our bullish price target. Okay, if you look at the chart, we'll go back to the daily chart. Okay, and this is why I have these levels. Okay, we come back down here, and anytime we're above here, we're going up massively. All right, above here, going up, going up, going up, above here, going up, above here, going up, above here, going up. Okay, and the blue line is the breakout, green line is bullish price targets. Okay, and if you want to buy and hold this thing, look at look at the prices that it's reached at one point. Okay, massive long-term upside potential. Okay, but just as there's massive upside potential, there's always going to be risk, so you could lose whatever you invest in this. If you don't sell for profit, or let's say that this trend the Selfkey, nobody uses Selfkey anymore. Nobody has any interest in it. Then there's not going to be any value. So never invest more than you're willing to lose, and don't be afraid to take profit, which is what 90% of most traders don't do. Is they're not successful on a consistent basis. Yeah, they may be up. It might have been up 100, 200, 300%. They bag held, ended up having to sell negative 50%. Okay. Don't let that beat you. Be smarter. Join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. The link below is in the description. You can use code Zackley, like the channel name Zackley Trades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. All right. Lots of stuff to learn in there. You gain access to all of my call outs, all my crypto call outs, stock call outs, option call outs, all the admin member call outs, and tons of various other resources and a positive learning community. So definitely join the Discord, guys. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.